Model, 63-plate Mercedes-Benz Vito 113 2.2 CDI absolute bargain of a Vito grin. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 259,403. MOT, 8 August 2024. Engine, 2143 cc 651 136 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Drives fine. The gearbox is whining in second and third gear, so will need replacing in the future grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 2 former keepers, cruise control, electric windows, air con. EU status: Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £3,925. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.